Yo, what's up? Do you want to make some money for doing absolutely nothing? Well, if that sounds appealing to you, then stick with me through this entire video. Do not close that browser window because I'm going to share with you my number one method for making money for doing absolutely nothing, you guys. All you have to do is install this one very simple app, and you're going to make money passively in the background, earning money, free PayPal cash, you guys, just like the title says with this one simple app. I'm also going to share with you another app that you can do some simple tasks. And at the very end, you guys, as a bonus, I'm going to share with you exactly what I'm doing, exactly how I got started making money online, and exactly how you can make the most money online. I'm talking about a full-time online business where you work from home. The sky is the limit. You set your hours and you can literally break free from your 9 to 5. If any of this sounds appealing to you, make sure that you stick with me through this entire video because this one's going to be good. Are you guys ready to make some money? Let me know down in the comments. Type make money online. Anything you want, you guys, ask me questions, whatever it is. Make sure that you drop a comment. Let me know that you were here and make sure that you smash that thumbs up. So let's get started. If you have one of these sitting in your pocket right now, which I'm willing to bet almost every single one of you do, you can start making money online with this one simple application. It is very, very simple to do. You literally are going to install this app. It's going to run in the background, and you are going to start generating some income online. And they actually pay this out in free PayPal cash. So let's jump over, check this out. I also want to mention, before I forget here, this can be done worldwide, absolutely worldwide, as long as you have an internet connection and some type of device such as a laptop, MacBook, tablets, or a smartphone. You can get started doing this. You just have to be able to install this application. Very, very simple stuff. So let's get started and jump straight into this. The name of the application that you're going to want to check out here today, you guys, is called Honeygain. So the first thing that you're going to notice when you arrive on this page right here is that you're going to be making money online with Honeygain, and it's very, very simple to do. You're simply going to download the app, you turn it on, and then you're going to start earning. Now, what's really cool about this is the more devices that you have and you install this application on, and you actually turn the application on and let it start running, the more money you're going to make. There are individuals out there that literally have, I believe they're calling them phone farms now, where they're running this application on like 30, 40 devices and making more and more money. Now, I'm not saying that you have to have a phone farm, but you might as well utilize all the different devices that you have and make as much money as you possibly can. I also want to point out, you guys, that these guys are paying in PayPal cash. If you come up here to where it says more and you go to frequently asked questions, they have a great frequently asked questions page right here where they will answer all of your questions. I also want to point out this is worldwide, and something else that's very important, you guys, is this can be done on your Windows devices, this can be done on your Android devices, and this can be done on your Mac OS devices. It's not available for iOS yet. Hopefully they come out with that in the future. I've been using this now, you guys, and I've made around $22. It's taken me about a month to do that. This is so simple. I had to share it with you because about a month or two ago, I believe I put out a poll and asked everyone how much money they have been making online. And most all of you said that you weren't making much money online or any at all. So I wanted to come up with a solution that everybody worldwide could make money online simply, literally for doing nothing. So get this installed, you guys. Like I said, how it works, I'll just go over this real quickly, but it's pretty much exactly like we said. You're going to install this on all of your preferred devices. You're going to connect it to the internet, and then you're going to get paid that sweet honey money right there. And they pay out in PayPal, just like I said. So if you're wondering exactly how this works or what it's doing, you guys, Honeygain is basically a network of business clients that's used for web intelligence and content delivery. Honeygain manages all the connections and payments, and then they share your unused net traffic with data scientists who look at all that unused stuff, and they share it with like Fortune 500 companies so that they can promote better products to you. Now, if you're wondering how much money can I actually earn with this Honeygain app? Well, here it is, you guys. They have an estimator that will help you break this down and understand exactly how much money you can start earning with Honeygain. So you can use this estimator right here where they estimate your approximate earnings based on the gigabytes you share with the Honeygain network. And the more you share, the more you earn. So again, install this on every single device that you have, you guys. And then the more data that you can share every single day, the more money you're going to earn. So if it's 10 gigabytes a day, you're going to be earning up to $30 a month. If you can share more than that, if you can do 20 a day, you're going to double that. It'll be 60 a month. And then on and on and on. If you're able to share 60 gigs a day, it could be all the way up to $180 a month. And if we max this out and you're sharing 100 gigabytes a day, you could be earning up to $300 a month passively, literally for doing nothing other than having this installed on your devices. Now, I'm not saying that everyone's going to make $300 a month, you guys. It's probably hard to actually achieve that, but you might as well get this installed on your devices and start earning some extra money just for having this running in the background. If you come down the page here, they have some good points of all the different perks that they have. It's easy to use, hassle-free, as they do all the nitty-gritty programming work for you. It's a good cause. It helps businesses that you're surrounded by to create a better future for everyone. And then you get paid for using the advantage of your internet. By the way, if you use the link that I've provided in the description, you're going to get an extra $5. I'm going to get 10% of your earnings just for sharing this with you. And if you share this with your friends, they're going to get $5 and you get 10% of all their earnings. So what I highly recommend that you do is get this installed and then share this, whether it's via text or email or however you want to get it out via social media. They're going to give you an affiliate link. I highly recommend that you share your excitement, help your friends get some extra money, and then start collecting off of their earnings as well, because you'll receive 10% of their earnings. Highly, highly recommend this application, you guys. If you have more questions, make sure that you come here, check out the frequently asked questions. They break it down and make it very, very simple to understand exactly what's happening here. It's very safe, and I highly recommend this. Alrighty, moving on here, you guys. I wanted to provide you with the most simple apps that you could make money and that you can make money with worldwide. And the other one that I thought of, you guys, is StreetBees. I have this installed on my device. I use this all the time when I have a little bit of downtime to create a little bit of extra income. You're not going to get rich with these applications, but you can make some extra money. And what I highly recommend that you do with this is that you invest it back into yourself or in your business so that you can actually start generating a significant amount of money on the internet. And if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, like I said, make sure that you're sticking with me till the end of this, because I'm going to share with you exactly how I got started and how you can get started making money online, you guys. And the sky is literally the limit. You can work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So check this out. This one is called StreetBees, you guys, and I will leave a link to this down in the description, just like the other application that we were talking about. And so what you're going to be doing on this is creating or completing little micro tasks. And these tasks are very, very simple. Sometimes you're just sharing your opinion, sharing your stories, having fun, and you're helping shape very well-known, reputable brands, their different products by sharing your opinions. And we're talking about brands such as like L'Oreal, Pepsi, Ferrero, and the list goes on and on, you guys. Coke, Nike, Adidas, all that different type of stuff. StreetBees is very, very reputable. It's used by so many different people and well-known brands to help them improve their products. So all you're going to be doing is picking these little different micro tasks, which they refer to as stories. You're going to be answering simple questions, and then you get paid out in cash. And this is available in 87 different countries. Now, if you're curious as to what type of questions and tasks you're going to be completing, they might ask you to, for example, take a 1-minute video while you're making tea. So you're going to video yourself making some tea. And then, or you could say what you think of your mobile network. Now, these are just examples, but these are actual questions that you might get. You might get paid $5 just for giving your opinion of what you think of your mobile network. So there's no right or wrong answers here. You're literally just providing your opinion. You might be at your local supermarket and they ask you to take a photo of a product on a shelf. Very, very simple stuff. If you're curious if a lot of people are using this, you can see right here that 25,423 stories were available worldwide this month. And so stories are tasks, you guys, 25,000 different tasks. There were 150,658 questions answered this week, 2,345 photos uploaded today. So very heavy user base. It's very, very well liked. And I'm going to show you here just in a sec. If we jump over to the Apple App Store, you can see that it's rated 4.5 stars by approximately 795 different ratings. And you can kind of see a more in-depth as to the different types of questions that they're asking you here. In this example, they said, what did you think of the new juice concept? And the person said, it looks healthy. I'd buy it for my kids. So simple, you guys, so simple. You could be sharing your ideas simply by chatting. Right here it says, how would you improve this product? The packaging, and the person replied, the packaging should be made more clear that it's all natural. So really cool, interesting, fun ways to create some extra income. In this example right here, they're talking about just taking a photo of how you eat breakfast. Please take a photo of your breakfast. They took a picture of all their just different stuff that they're eating for their breakfast. And then they asked, do you usually have breakfast alone or with others? And that person replied, I normally have breakfast with my family. So very easy to do stuff here. Jumping over to the Google Play Store, you can see that this has been rated by 37,012 people, you guys. 4-star rating in the Google Play Store. Cannot recommend this enough. Alrighty, my friends, that is going to be a wrap on this one. Make sure that you check out all the links that I've left down for you in the description of this video. It will help you navigate directly to these applications. There's extra bonuses and incentives for signing up through those. Make some extra money. And honestly, what I highly recommend that you do is you sign up for these applications, you guys. You take that extra money that you're earning and you invest it back in yourself. Start an online business this year in 2020. Break free from your 9-to-5. Work from anywhere in the world and absolutely change your life. All it takes is a decision, and I believe in you. I know you can do it, because if I can do it, you can do it too. That's all I did, you guys. I was looking for a way that I could start an online business, and I wanted to be online because I knew that being on the internet is the future, you guys. Any business that wants to survive in the future has to have an online presence. And honestly, affiliate marketing is the way to do it. And if you don't know what that is and you want to get started, check out my #1 recommendation down in the top of the description. It will be a step-by-step process that tells you exactly what you need to be doing to make money online and grow a successful business. Make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you share it. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know that you were here. Show some love. It helps to grow my channel and helps to get this information out to as many people as possible. So that's all I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.